What's good, YouTubers? Mechnician. I'm back with another video, and tonight we are shooting a Lamborghini Murciélago. But this isn't no regular Lamborghini Murciélago. This is a pink bedazzled Lamborghini Murciélago. I'm sure a lot of you have seen this Lamborghini online. It's been viral a couple of times, but this is my first time shooting rollers of it. So enjoy this video. It's gonna be a cool night. First, I'm gonna go link up with the homies. We rented an Alphard just so we can shoot rollers of this car. Then we're gonna head to Daikoku, kick it there for a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys some of the cars. And then after that, we're gonna head out on the road and shoot some rollers of the pink Murciélago. So we got the mini Alphard. I know it's not an Alphard, I'm just joking. But we here, we got the van, got all the mandem. So you know it's about to be lit just now. Rodeo Crowns. What brand is this? Huh? This brand is hard.
Box it, no? Like Japanese brand.
It's fire. I rock with it still. It's fire.
It's not fireable. It's like on sale. I took it on sale. New Year's sale.
Yeah, I like the print though. Rodeo Crowns. It's hard. Duke with the elevator music, man.
We're at a jazz bar right now.
All right, guys, sorry about that. My mic wasn't on, so I am at Murciélago, and this is a parkade where people park their cars, and it's literally surrounded by water. I don't think you guys heard me earlier, but hopefully you heard me now. Oh, this red Supra is tough. Oh. I wonder if that's the same red Supra we saw earlier. Oh, damn. So mans are working with?
Huh?
Anya. Is that how you pronounce it? Anija. Anija. What does that even mean?
I don't know. I think it's just made up.
Oh. Bust down. It's tough. So tough. Please. Look at the whips, guys. R34 GTR. Super clean up. Oh wow, this is a R34 GTT, but this kit looks crazy. I love how they did it with delivery too. That's crazy. Fuck. Oh my goodness, yo. I just love these builds, man. These builds are so clean. I need one of these in my life. I think it's a Cresta. I need one of these in my life. Crazy. Uh-oh. I've never seen these side mirrors before. .32 wide body. And got an MR2. I swear that's my homie. I swear that's Butcher, bruh. What the heck? Shout out Butcher, bro. What the hell? Oh, that's clean. This is fire. Bro, you see this? This is nasty. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. As you guys can see, we got the headphones, the headset, we all locked in to get the footage, man. It's a Lambo right there. All right. That's how we do it, guys. So we got the cam. Got the cam locked in. The Ferrari. Hear that sound though? Oh my goodness. Y'all ain't never seen something like that. Ugh, nasty. Gotta love it, man. This is what it's all about, man. We all collabing, just making this shit work. It's how it's supposed to be. It's how it's supposed to be. You see that crazy Lambo?
Yeah, just motion. It's clear.
It's locked in, man. Locked in on the communication. I can't lie, it's one of the easiest rollers ever. It's easy. What? That communication is what makes the dream work. Well, he turned off his headlights, I think. Crazy ass car, yeah. You see the serious communication that's going on right now? If you're ever doing rollers, make sure you have headsets. You see how my boy locked in.
Yeah, sure.
Little driver exchange. It's crazy, guys. You guys aren't taking in what is popping right now. What the fuck? Well, I gotta grab my VHS. I'm tweaking. I got my VHS one last time. Gated manual transmission. Bedazzled. What? All mans are just locked in right now. This is what it's about, man. All content creators, like us videographers, photographers, all collaborating, you know, working together to make it happen. Like, we got the rental, we shot some rollers. We only planned on shooting one of these cars, you know, and then two more. So we're just blessed right now. Like, You know, shout out Yuto, bro. Shout out Yuto. I'm gonna put his name right here. This is the guy who put it all together. Shout out Yuto, man. Cause it's crazy. So apparently we're gonna do some more rollers, right? And he's gonna air out while he's driving. So this shit is about to scrape the floor. So I'm gonna make sure to catch that for you guys. This is gonna be crazy.
I have to strap in.
Do not try this at home, ladies and gentlemen. Do not try this at home. Friggin' why them suss the whole shit, bro. But luckily we all got our shots, so we're out here. We're just trying to get home.
Let's go.
I do roll out the police, bro. Do.
No, the Masaka.
Police rollers. And that's it for the night, guys.
I don't know which one it is. Ah, yours.
Oh, he's there now.
Bye-bye.
That was sick.